Hey guys, welcome back to Isabella's Quick Recipes. Today I'm going to show you how to make this pumpkin cake crumble cookie, which smells incredible. I'm very surprised. It smells very rich of pumpkin and spices, but ours today is going to be even better, and it's going to make a lot so we can share with all of our friends and family. So let's get started. Alright guys, so to a mixing bowl, I'm going to add a cup of butter with regular sugar and brown sugar. Cream the two together until it's nice and fluffy. Once it looks like that, there's no white chunks in here. You're going to add 2 eggs and you're going to whisk this up until it's nice and airy. See how light this color is, and it's just very nicely incorporated. Make sure there's just like no lumps. I can't stress it enough, because if there's lumps of butter and then it bakes, it leaves like little holes in the cookie, which is not very pleasant to look at. So here's all of our spices. We have pumpkin spice, and if you look at the ingredients of pumpkin spice, they're all different. Some of them have 2 ingredients, some have 3, some have like up to 5. So go ahead and add pumpkin spice, but we're also gonna add cinnamon and nutmeg and a ground ginger. And that way, it's gonna just really enhance your pumpkin flavor, whichever pumpkin spice you choose to use. It's gonna just have the most wonderful addition of all the other spices so that your cookies have a lot of flavor in them. Because we're gonna be adding pumpkin puree, but as you guys may already know, pumpkin doesn't have too much of flavor, so we really have to amp up the flavor with this. We're also going to be adding this secret ingredient. This is pumpkin pie extract. I've never seen this before, but when I saw it, I was like, oh my gosh, like this could really enhance all of my fall recipes. So I'll leave the link down below where you could get it at, and you could try it out for yourself. Now this is some vanilla extract, and we're gonna mix all of this together before adding the dry ingredients. Once you scoop your cookies, you're gonna wanna press them down with a wet hand, and that way they won't be so tall when they bake, and it's also gonna smooth them out a little. You're gonna bake these for around 25 to 30 minutes, depending on how big you actually made these. The cookies are ready. Let's give them a look. Domed to perfection. If you give them a tap, they're still kind of soft. They're gonna set as they cool. Go ahead and put these on a cooling rack, because the faster they cool, the faster we can ice these and eat them. Alright guys, and now for the best part, taste test time. This one's mine. It's more lighter than Crumbl's. Crumbl's a little darker. Let's try Crumbl's first. The cream cheese frosting is really good. The cake part, you could taste a little bit like flour and a little bit of spice. It's lacking a little flavor. This is what the inside looks like. It's pretty soft, but I'm getting a little bit of a doughy texture. Oh, I knew it. The inside is like slightly raw, which is no surprise. That's not the first time that's happened to me, but that's kind of a bummer. Now let's look at mine. It's so warm. Whoa. Cheers. It's so good. I'm trying to see the cream cheese, like it really overpowers everything, but the cake part, yeah. If you try the cookie by itself, you taste all the different flavors and everything. But I can't believe how light and airy this is. Look at this. It's just like, this really doesn't need like cream cheese frosting, because by itself is just phenomenal. Very messy. I of course didn't wait for it to cool. Now if you guys enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Leave your comments down below if you try it out. And as usual, stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes, all of them always with a unique twist.